Hey guys, it's Ben. We're off to a good start today. I got up, my tyre was dead flat. I've pumped it back up, but there is a hole right there. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's going. So I've gone and got a puncher kit and a plug kit, and we're gonna try and fix it. So that's first job for today. And that's how you do that. So that's it. That's how to repair or plug your tyre. As you can see now, that sticks out. Once you drive on it, that bit will push in, wear down, and become more permanent. It says it's not a permanent fix, but I don't know. For the most part it is, and if it's not, you get another fucking 4 goes at it anyway. So, laughing.